But again, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope y'all have a great and safe New Year's Eve into the new year. And, well, and we'll see y'all all next year, I guess. That would be tomorrow. And, well, let's kind of redo that. Okay. We're going to keep doing bigger things and bigger things. That didn't make any sense. What's going on, guys? So today we are, sorry, there's my insurance paper anyway. We are going to be going down to the county clerk's office to register the SHITBOX. Quick startup. VR6, baby. We've had this car a whole year already, and it seems like it was just yesterday when we got this pile of crap. Oh man, somebody moved my seat. Like hardcore too. That's it. Y'all just tag along for the ride today, and we will, you know, just kind of get y'all a vlog today. That's what's going on. Woo! Big truck coming out. I ain't gonna stop, dude. That's your fault. I got a green light. You're trying to turn freaking right. Yeah, he's trying to turn right. Freaking kidding me? Just kind of yank out front traffic, dude. As you, Clarksville, there's always traffic. We're in town here by some buildings, so look out for that shit. Crazy. So I don't know why we took this turn. I think just because we kind of wanted to drive through town. So we're just gonna take a right. Beautiful Corvette right there. What awesome. I love driving through town up here because it just gets absolutely ridiculous, and you're in the wrong spot there, buddy. Roads are kind of funky up here. Love that snap crackle, baby. Woo! Love this little SHITBOX, man. Probably gonna get pulled over or some bullshit. I'd be mad if I got a ticket today. Man, you can see all the houses and stuff out here. Super houses, all the businesses and stuff. Super nice, old school looking buildings. Woo, see, that would be perfect right there. Toys to Boot shop, baby. Dang, see, that'd be awesome. Except all these people would get super mad all the time because they hear this little SHITBOX fire up in the morning, rolling up through here. All these college students get all butthurt. You know, it is what it is. Just a cool little drive for you guys. I don't know how good it's gonna come out. We'll see. I think either way I'm gonna post it, so y'all get to see the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the last couple of videos. I know I drug out the sound system stuff a little bit. It was pretty worth dragging. Oh shit, caught y'all. It was pretty worth kind of dragging it out just because we were having all the issues we were having. It made more sense to kind of, where the fuck am I going? Oh, okay. I gotta take a right up here. Gotta love that VR6, baby. Anyways, you know, all the issues we were having with it, it made it easier to, wow, check out that. It made it a lot easier to show y'all. Well, that's a big ass intersection, and the freaking lights changed like randomly, it seems. I don't think we have any more background music. So, guess we wait. See y'all in a minute. Alright guys, we are here. We're fitting to go get re-registered here at the county clerk's office. I think we just need the old registration and some insurance or something. I don't know, maybe driver's license maybe. But as you guys know, this vlog is gonna be all over the freaking place. Whoop. And there y'all go. The old SHITBOX VR6. But for now, we'll see you guys in a minute when we get our registration, all that figured out. Can't believe I've had this car for a freaking year already. Well, looks like we're on 149 or 152. So it shouldn't be too long of a wait here. Alrighty, well, got our new registration. 2020 for 12/31. So go ahead and slap that little sticker on there real quick so we can get out of here. Whoop! Oh no! Stuck to the paper. That's gonna be fun. I'm gonna wipe that baby off a little bit. And we'll just stick it on there. Oop! Ha! Big scrape. This freaking flex pipe is so obnoxious, guys. It's freaking crazy. Oh Lord, come on people. Either turn or don't, but speed up. Alright. No scrape? Okay, good. There's no way to drive this car quiet. Come on people, it's green, go! Shit! This is kind of a weird road because right now the two lanes are open for going the direction I'm heading. There's only one lane on the other side over there. The weird part is around the middle of the day it'll switch to where we can only travel in this one lane right here that I'm in currently, and the middle lane will be going the other way. That's why the arrows are up there. It'll change. It's really screwed up, and I feel like it would cause accidents, but somehow it doesn't. And I think down here we got to go in the left lane. Yeah. These roads down here are all like one ways and weird turn lanes and shit. Driving a manual car and vlogging is absolutely retarded. So impossible half the time. Cause I got y'all like on the steering wheel right now, gripping both. Try not to be too crazy obnoxious down here in town, because you know, man, get in the other lane. What are you doing? Jesus. Just because if we get too obnoxious, man, we are gonna get a ticket. Because we are rolling right by the courthouse and all that. Woo. That snap crackle from first to second is the truth. Woo! Oh man, it even echoes when I talk. Awesome. Alright, we'll try to do like one more. Come on there, truck, go. I'm only doing 25 miles an hour too, so. Nice old church. Doing pulls through the middle of downtown. What an asshole. Who would do that? Oh, now we're stuck behind the bus. Boo! is a beautiful day out today. I have to say that. Sorry if the vlog is kind of like wiggly and jumping around and shit everywhere. That guy had plenty of time to get out. What the fuck? What the fuck is... Because that's crazy. What is going on? Oh yeah, cop right there too? Ooh, nice Corvette. Get the fuck out of here. There's no way that cop didn't see that happen. The guy's getting off the road, the cop's gonna keep going. Like, that guy in the Ranger was like, oh, I'm just in this lane. He didn't have his turn signal on or anything. And the guy in the Explorer, the Silver Explorer that was there, just almost ran him off the fucking road. If there was no other lane on the right that he could have gotten into, he would have just gone in the ditch. And you could see him like swerving and stuff. That was crazy. Alrighty, as you can see, we just got out of the car. Thank God that oh, got my wallet. Thank God that insanity is over. In the door, not where I usually put it. I forget. But yeah, thank God that insanity is over. I hope y'all enjoyed this little New Year's vlog. We're gonna keep trying to do bigger things and grow the channel in 2020. With the SHITBOX VR6, the Canyon might not be included because we don't really ever do anything to this. It's just a daily driver. The Challenger, well, it's definitely gonna get some stuff, and y'all probably see more of this in Colorado unless we sell it before then, which I don't know, maybe a possibility, just because I do love the car. The problem is it just never gets any content made with it, and everything we film with it we either lose because it's just too long, or hell, we just suck at filming the Corvette, to be honest. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. My little freak out snap crackle pops from the SHITBOX. Oh, now they want to pull some people over, you know? Jesus, happened right in front of me. I hope y'all all have a safe and happy New Year's Eve and New Year's tomorrow. And we will see y'all in 2020.